Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful spring flower, spring color bride's bouquet with handheld cage and fresh curly willow. This is very nice. Let's do it together. I would like to start with a small cage, a handheld bouquet holder with some of very fresh curly willow. Curly willow give me very nice, good look in this bouquet. So bring these two sections together to create a small cage around this bouquet holder. It's not hard to do this in your hand. Just bring this little stems of curly willow together and put this foam in center or cage in center. Basically, you are creating curly willow cage around foam cage. In this stage, I am going to put some floral tape, waterproof floral tape that we used before, to put all of these stems and cage somehow together that it doesn't move in your hand. This floral tape is waterproof and they hold everything very tight and nice if you put it on top. Now with roses, any kind of roses that you have, I am using quicksand from Ecuador and white from Ecuador as well. I am going to create my shape or this bouquet's shape or structures of design that in every design we are doing. Okay, so you can open your roses one by one. Make sure they are nice and open. You can blow in it if you want. Anywhere, any way that it's easy for you to open it. It's nicer when it's open. So basically this is structures of your design. I want to put one more here for you to see what is structures or shape of your design. So you are going to fill up all this area. This is shape. Actually, I want this a little bit shorter for you to see better. Make sure they are nice and open and they show their own beauty. So all this area needs to be filled up with all other flower that we have. I'm going to continue with few more roses. When they open, they show their beauty better. So make sure your roses are at least one night out of refrigerator. Now I am going to start to use beautiful spring ranunculus. Stems also I use. Greenery they also. The stems of ranunculuses are very beautiful greenery and beautiful touch up to your design. Not that much room, but we make sure to put everything in. When you go in between cage or those curly willow, it will give you very nice look. Subscribe to this channel. We can do more bride's bouquet and more of different bouquets. Few more. shorter. I have some nice spray roses to fill up the area better. If it's heavy and hard for you to do it, there is a stand for this kind of bouquet holder. You can do that. You have to make yourself comfortable when you do any bouquets. I need more yellow. These are very beautiful. Yellow ranunculus. I choose nicest one. That is better in the bouquet. With some greenery, it will be very nice to use. I need one here and perhaps this one, if I can push this here. So gorgeous. You can do this bouquet according budget, but don't hesitate to add as much as you want to make it perfect. A few more. I like this one. It's very nice and fresh cut. I have some Dusty Miller. I would like to put this inside previous curly willow to cover mechanic. They are covering very good. Okay, so I have few more. Cover mechanic. Yes, few more. This Dusty Miller will help. One more, maybe. Okay, I have some beautiful Crispidia or belly ball. Belly balls are very nice for focal point. If I can add this almost in center, we are covering a lot of area. It's already been cut and I can finish. So I will add more to any area that I think I have. Open the roses. Perhaps here or here. I have few more of this ranunculus. That shape is very beautiful. I'm gonna use it. This is freeform, so you don't need to make it very compact. Freeform style or no line and busy. Okay, and I'm gonna add more everywhere that I feel empty. I have few more of this beautiful ranunculus and even roses I can add. And here. Because you have that curly willow cage, you can add very freely, easily. I'm going to wrap this with same tape that we used, which is waterproof floral tape. And then if you want, you can add ribbon or any kind of tulle, sashes, anything that bride favorite and match the color of the wedding reception. I made this ribbon before. I go inside and Done. Okay, here is our finished product. If you would like to learn more about this design, please check us at minadesignschool.com or subscribe in this channel. Thank you.